Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Absa Bank Chat Support. This guide will walk you through the process of accessing and utilizing the chat support feature offered by Absa Bank. To start, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a compatible device such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Open a web browser and navigate to the Absa Bank website. Once on the website, locate the chat support option, which is usually found at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on the chat support icon to initiate a conversation. You will be prompted to enter your name and select a topic or reason for your inquiry. Choose the most relevant topic from the provided options to help the support team direct your query to the correct department. After selecting a topic, type your message in the chat box and click Send. Your message will be received by the Absa Bank support team, who will respond as soon as possible. Be clear and concise when typing your message to ensure the support team understands your query. If you are an Absa Bank customer, you may be required to verify your account details to access certain information or perform specific transactions. Follow the prompts to verify your account details and ensure you are speaking with a legitimate support agent. Throughout the conversation, the support team may request additional information or provide you with step-by-step instructions to resolve your query. Be patient and follow the instructions carefully to avoid any misunderstandings. In case you need to attach a document or image to support your query, look for the attachment option within the chat window. This feature allows you to upload relevant files to help the support team better understand your issue. Once your query has been resolved, the support team will notify you and provide any necessary follow-up actions. Take a moment to review the conversation and ensure all your questions have been answered. Finally, if you are satisfied with the support received, you may be asked to provide feedback on the service. Your feedback is valuable in helping Absa Bank improve their chat support feature and provide better service to their customers. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Absa Bank chat support feature to resolve your queries and access a range of banking services from the comfort of your own space. Remember to always prioritize your account security and never share sensitive information with unauthorized parties.